Kia ora, I'm Sarah and welcome to Soul Food Sunday. Each Sunday, I'll be teaching you a life skill to learn around the home. There are so many life skills we can learn. Learning a new skill is a great way to get our brain thinking, and it's also a special way for you to help around the house and spend time together with your whānau. What do you think of when I say food? Good for the soul, food we can eat on the Sunday. I hope you're thinking what I'm thinking. Yes, pancakes. Who likes pancakes? Pancakes are the best Sunday morning breakfast and great for the soul. Now let's get on to making those pancakes. First of all, we need to get our ingredients ready. This recipe makes for 4 pancakes. So remember, if you have more at home that you want to make for, just double or triple the recipe. Don't worry, I'll put the recipe below for you to look back afterwards. So I have flour, baking powder, sugar. I've chosen brown sugar today, but you can use any sugar you like. Some salt, an egg, and I've already put it in a small bowl, some milk, and some oil. And that's all you need to make pancakes today. Plus, lots of yummy toppings to add at the end. But keep watching and I'll show you all the toppings that I choose today. We will also need a large bowl, a wooden spoon, a fork or a beater, whatever you have at home. Also, a pan to cook your pancakes in. Now, before we start anything, before we start cooking in the kitchen, there's one thing we need to remember to do. And we've been told this a lot lately, and that is wash our hands. So before I start, I'm gonna wash my hands. Perfect. Our first step is to combine all the dry ingredients. We're going to do 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a little bit of salt. You can use a little teaspoon to do that. Perfect. Now to mix it in, you can use your fork, mix it in so there's no lumps, like so. Our next step is to combine the wet ingredients. This is your chance to learn to crack an egg. So what I'm going to do is show you how to crack an egg. What we get is an egg inside of the bowl, and you want to create a crack line down the middle. To do this, you just tap it on the inside of the bowl, turn the egg around till you hear a crack, and look at that, got a crack down the middle. Next you want to do is put your thumbs on either side of the egg, pull the egg apart, and there you go. Make sure you don't get any egg shells in the egg. Then we add milk and oil. We need 2 cups of milk, and I've already prepped 2 cups of milk here. And you also need 1 tablespoon of oil. And mix it together with either a beater or a fork. Perfect. If the batter is a little bit runny, you can always add a little bit more of flour. It's time to make our pancakes. This step is where we need adult help. The stove is hot. We need to be extra careful. You need to always ask an adult in the house to help you cook the pancakes. I like to use butter for the base of my pancakes. It makes it easier for the pancakes to be able to flip over at the end. Take just a measuring cup, fill it up about halfway. I'm using 1/2 cup, and just pour it into the pan, trying to create a circle for the pancake. Can you see these bubbles? This is what we want our pancake to start looking like before we can flip. Once our pancakes are done, we are not finished yet, because we can add so many different toppings to make our pancakes nice and delicious. Today I've decided that I'm going to add some banana, because I love banana, yogurt, and because it's Easter, I'm going to put a little bit of chocolate on top. I've also actually tried to create some bunny pancakes. They didn't turn out too well, but it was a good attempt anyway. To put my banana on, I'm going to chop it open so we can have nice slices on the pancakes, cutting off the skin like so, and then doing slices. To put the chocolate on, I'm going to cut little bits off. You can also grate the chocolate actually, but I'm just going to cut little bits of chocolate. There we go. Sprinkle all on top. and then also do some yogurt. And there you have it, pancakes for Sunday breakfast. I'm actually going to dust my pancakes with a little bit of icing sugar just to top it off and make it look beautiful. Now to eat our pancakes. Yum! How are your pancakes? Mine were delicious. I love the toppings I put on mine. I even added some blueberries. Remember, you can add any toppings on top of your pancakes. You can add lemon and sugar, jam, marmalade. You can also add bacon if you love bacon. Now, unfortunately, we've eaten all the pancakes and we have all these dishes we still need to clean up. Doing the dishes is another life skill that is really helpful to do around the house. It helps out the adults. You can do it any day of the week, and I want to set you a task. Next week, offer to do the dishes. You could do them for anyone, for the family, or you could do them for when you make your own lunch, or even when you're making your own pancakes. Doing the dishes is a really rewarding job to do around the house. Youthtown are working together as a nation, helping New Zealand to keep warm in spirit and warm in our body by knitting squares to make blankets for those tamariki and whānau in need. If you know anyone who enjoys knitting, check out the link below for more information about this. Remember to like and subscribe for more Youthtown videos on Youthtown Connect. We will be posting videos daily. And as for me, I'll see you next Sunday for more life skills. Bye!